Ohio, big news, Driving Academy is now open in Akron. That means if you live in or near Akron, training just got easier, faster, and way more accessible. Whether you're starting from scratch or ready to level up, we've got your back. We're one of the top-rated CDL schools in the country, known for helping over 10,000 students get trained, licensed, and hired with real flexibility and real results. And now you can get the same experience right here in Akron, Ohio. Did you know that the average truck driver earns about $70,000 a year or more? But here's the catch. There's 3 big things standing in your way. You have to pass a series of written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. You need to attend a fully accredited school for hands-on training. And finally, you got to pass a 2.5-hour-long road test to actually earn your license. No matter where you are in that process, our Akron team is ready to guide you through every single step of the way. At this Ohio location, our certified instructors are here to help you earn your CDL Class A or your CDL Class B license. With no fluff, no confusion, just clear steps and full support from day number 1. It all starts with a tour of our facility, so you know exactly what to expect before you even sign up. Once you're in, you'll go through our optimized CDL permit prep course, where we'll teach you everything you need to pass your exams at your own pace. Then you'll move into our training yard, where you'll learn how to perform inside and outside vehicle inspections, master parking maneuvers, practice real test routes with hands-on instructor coaching, and before you hit the streets, we'll actually train you on our state-of-the-art driving simulator, helping you get comfortable with shifting, spotting road hazards, and building confidence behind the wheel. And once you're fully ready, you'll drive on the actual roads and highways around Akron with a certified instructor. We'll also help you schedule and pass your official CDL road test as well. So we have you back, we got you covered. But here's why students choose Driving Academy above all other schools. Number 1, we're super flexible. We're open up 7 days a week, and we can customize your training around your lifestyle. Number 2, we make it super affordable. All you need is $500 down to get started, and we can make interest-free payment plans for the rest. Number 3, we support you for life. That's right. We offer lifetime job placement assistance, which means we'll help you build a real career, not just get you a license. So what are you waiting for? Classes are filling up fast at our brand new Akron location. Fill out the form below, book your free tour, and let's get you on the road to freedom right here in Akron, Ohio.